If you have lost your Apple phone and you have a Windows PC or MacBook, you can use the iCloud website to locate your device. Here's how you can do it. Open a web browser on your PC. Go to the iCloud website, www.icloud.com. Log in using your Apple ID and password. After logging in, click on the Find iPhone icon. You might be prompted to enter your Apple ID password again for security purposes. Once you're in the Find My interface, you should see a map with the locations of all your Apple devices associated with your Apple ID. Click on the icon representing your lost phone on the map. This will show you the current location of your phone if it is connected to the internet. If your device is online, you'll have options to play a sound on your phone, put it in lost mode, or erase the data on it remotely. Choose the option that best suits your situation.
By following these steps, you should be able to use your Windows PC or MacBook to locate your lost iPhone through the iCloud website. Thank you.